You know, Vermont is crazy beautiful. I came from the city, and for so long, my summers in Vermont were my balance to the city. Clean air, clean water, simple living. I mean, you walk out of your cabin and there's the forest, and you hear the leaves, and you walk down these paths with towering trees. And our cabins, they're actually pretty great, you know. They're open air, but often you're facing the lake, and you really feel a part of the world in a way you just don't get when you're in an apartment or a house. When you work here, you're also at camp. Our cooks are out in the community, and our campers so look up to our cooks and appreciate what they do for them. You'll make incredible food in a beautiful place, and even if it's only for a few weeks, you'll leave feeling rejuvenated. You'll get out of that kitchen and just enjoy Vermont.